Here is Game of Life on an 8x8 LED matrix with no driver or libraries, just hooked with 16 wires to the Arduino. This is a common cathode setup for the matrix. So it's actually the same as in use on the built-in example on Arduino. If you have taken a look at that, it has the common cathode setup, which is this, as you can see here. So I'm using on mine the same matrix pin number, row, column, and Arduino pin number. So the pins from the matrix to the pins on the Arduino are the same as in that tutorial. However, I've added at each cathode, I've added a resistor to protect the LEDs. So it's a 220 ohm resistor at the 8 cathodes. You have to be pretty careful in putting them and follow which ones are the cathodes. They're at the columns on this particular one. If you have a different setup of a LED matrix, they're actually reversed. Okay, so then I have created a little function, a little different, that will show a two-dimensional array that holds the information for the matrix and for the game of life. So I just do a show it. It scans the rows, then checks the columns, then it will display like that. Game of Life is run as I have before by creating generations. Inside this, I have a global old world, and then I create a local new world array. I go through the rules, checking it, and then copy new world into old world and start over again. So in the loop function that we need to do, when we loop, what we need to do, we need to actually have another for loop, sending it to show it multiple times, so the animation will be clear. All this code is up on my GitHub, and there we go. It's just two gliders are now on a torus, repeatedly chasing each other. Game of Life on an 8x8 LED matrix.